How does the OAuth 2.0 Authorization Code Flow secure authentication? Have you ever wondered how your favorite apps keep your information safe when you log in? Today, we will break down how the OAuth 2.0 Authorization Code Flow secures authentication. This flow is all about keeping your data safe while allowing you to access different services seamlessly. Let's start with the basics. The OAuth 2.0 Authorization Code Flow separates the user authentication step from the token exchange step. This means that sensitive tokens are never exposed to the user agent, like a web browser. Instead, they are handled securely on the server side. This is especially important for confidential clients, like backend web applications, which can store credentials safely. Here's how it works step by step. First, when you want to log into an application, you click a Login button. This action sends you to the authorization server's login page. Here, you will authenticate directly with the authorization server, not the client application. This approach ensures your credentials are not exposed to the application you are trying to access. Once you successfully log in, the authorization server sends you back to the client application with a temporary, single-use authorization code in the URL. This code is crucial for the next step. The client application's backend then takes this authorization code and exchanges it for access and identification tokens. This exchange happens through a secure backchannel request to the authorization server's token endpoint. During this request, the client's credentials, like a client secret, are included. These credentials are never exposed to the browser or user, adding another layer of security. The authorization server checks the authorization code and client credentials, then issues tokens to the client's backend. Now, what are the key security benefits of this flow? First, token confidentiality is maintained because access and identification tokens are only transmitted between the authorization server and the client backend. They are never exposed to the user agent or front-end code, which reduces the chance of interception. Next, the client must authenticate itself when exchanging the authorization code for tokens. This requirement prevents unauthorized clients from obtaining tokens. Additionally, the authorization code is short-lived and can only be used once, limiting the time frame for potential attacks. Redirect uniform resource identifiers are also used in this flow. The authorization server only redirects to pre-registered uniform resource identifiers, which helps prevent redirection attacks. For public clients, like mobile applications, the proof key for code exchange adds a cryptographic challenge to the flow, further protecting against interception and reuse of the authorization code. From a backend development perspective, implementing this flow is straightforward. Developers can use software development kits or libraries that manage the redirects, token exchange, and secure token storage on the server side. This setup allows backend services to authenticate users securely and obtain tokens to access application programming interfaces without exposing sensitive credentials or tokens. In summary, the OAuth 2.0 Authorization Code Flow secures authentication by isolating sensitive token exchanges to backend servers, requiring client authentication, and using short-lived, single-use codes. This process protects user credentials and tokens from exposure or misuse during application access and user authentication.